Welcome back to another WorksForWeb product tutorial video, part 3. Here we're going to be going over the main pages of the front end. Now the front end is divided into many different blocks, and we're going to be going into each of these blocks individually and giving a brief description. Now at the top here we have login and register. Now your users may register manually, or they can log in through Google, Facebook, Twitter, MySpace, Yahoo, or OpenID. And then on the other hand, we have a quick navigation menu where you can get to the other sections of the site easily. Now under this top bar here, we have the main page. All the blocks on the main page are completely customizable or removable. But in the default setup, our first block here is going to be the quick search. Now within this block we have three different tabs here: cars by make and model, find a seller, and sell your car. We also have a default video in here that can be changed through the templates. And we also have the advanced search option. Now, under the quick search block, we have the featured ads and recent ads block. Featured ads are the ads that you want to highlight, while the recent ads are simply the most recent ads that have been added to your site. Then we have the Facebook block. This provides a direct link between your business Facebook page and your site. This gives your users a way to interact with you through social media. Next, we have the AdSense blocks. This is just a little way to throw your AdSense code in there and provide a little extra revenue for your site. Now the next block is cars by make and cars by state. You can also note that when you choose a car by a make, it also gives you the option of further reducing it by the model. Now let's take a look at the quick search options. Here you'll find these drop-down boxes, which are useful to help narrow down the search for what you're looking for specifically. You can also type in keywords, which will bring you to listings that display that keyword. Once you're on the results page, you can further refine your search by clicking on these sidebar options here. If you find that you've refined your results too far, you can click on the Reset Search Criteria and begin refining again. On the results page, you also have the option of going into the list view or the gallery view. Also note that any listings that have been sold show as sold at the top of the icon here. And your sponsored listings are also marked. Now let's look at an individual listing. Once you're in the individual listing, you have the option to manage your search options, where you can perform a new search, modify the search, or go back to the results. Under that, we have the option to rate the user listing or rate it through social media like Facebook or Twitter. Under that, we have the seller info, which just gives a quick snapshot of who is selling this vehicle. Now on the main block of the listing, we have several tabs. We've got the summary, which just shows you the basic information about the vehicle. The pictures tab, which you can see a gallery of pictures. A video tab. This is where you can highlight the listing with a video. On the map shows you where the listing is, in case someone wants to see if this is somewhere local. And then comments, where users can display comments about this particular listing. There are a few other important pages that we'll be going over in future videos, where we will describe all these features in greater detail. But for now, this covers the front end overview.